Hey guys, since Splitly launched, we've seen some incredible results from a wide variety of split tests. Today, I want to share 5 of those tests with you, the results that the sellers saw, and also the lessons that you can take away from each one. For the privacy of the sellers, we're not sharing their actual products, but all the numbers are real life. So let's dive in.
Split test 1. In this test, the seller decreased their price from $31.92 to $28.92. The winner was $28.92. They received a 58% increase in conversion rate and a 77% increase in their average daily sales, which went from 23 units per day to 40. So this is equal to about $88 extra profit per day, or $30,000 per year. The takeaway from this is that you can lower your price but still make more profit. By reducing their price, this seller increased the volume of sales, which overall increased the amount of profit they received. If you wanted to test this yourself, I'd recommend just decreasing your price incrementally in order to reduce the risk. Split test 2. For this one, the user decided to test a main image with the packaging and the product far apart versus closer together. It sounds like a pretty simple thing, but the results were quite incredible. The winner was side by side. Their daily sessions, or the number of unique visitors on their listing, went up from 91 to 107. They saw a 38% increase in daily conversions and a 44% increase in their average daily sales. This was $33 extra profit per day, or $12,000 a year. The takeaway from this, your main image is very important. It's the first thing your customers see. It's worth investing in professional photography and capturing your product from different angles and different positions. Also keep in mind, this user didn't have to adjust their price to receive this profit increase. It was just their picture, and now they'll reap those extra profits for months or potentially the lifetime of this product. Split test 3. This was a main image test as well, testing a front view of their product versus a side view. The front view was the winner. They received an 89% increase in conversion rate and a 90% increase in their average daily sales. So this worked out to $23 extra profit per day and over $8,000 per year. The takeaway from this is that main images provide a huge impact on sales. I can't tell you exactly why changing the angle of your photo could increase sales. It's not an exact science. Images are so objective. The only way to know for sure is to split test. Split test 4. In this test, the user increased their price from $19.97 to $23.97. The winner was in fact the higher price of $23.97. This one's really interesting because most of their metrics went down when it came to the higher price. However, what made this a winner was the increase in overall profits. So their conversion rate dropped from 25% to 16%. Their daily sales dropped from 12 to 8. However, they saw a 174% increase in their average daily profits. This was an extra $21 per day, or $8,000 a year. So what do we learn from this test? Don't be afraid to test higher prices. You might be surprised. Increasing prices won't usually increase the number of sales per day. However, this loss of sales could be offset by the increased amount of profit you do get from each sale, giving you more profit overall. Split test 5. For this test, the user decreased their listing price from $11.97 to $9.97. Just note that this is different to the sale price. So the actual sale price that the customer purchased the product at did not change, but only the listing price above. The lower listing price of $9.97 was the winner. It received a 70% increase in average daily conversions and the daily sales also increased from 6 to 11 units. So how does the listing price make a difference? Well, it changes the perceived value of your product. Studies have shown that you can actually sell your product at a higher price if the initial offer is higher. So in an Amazon example, if the listing price, which is the one with a slash through it, is higher, then the customer feels like they're receiving even better value because the discount is even greater. Although the lower listing price was the winner in this example, we do recommend testing higher listing prices as well. A great pro tip here, always use precise values for your listing price. For example, instead of making your listing price $39.99, you should make it $38.78 or any precise value. Why? Because studies have shown that when a person is given a precise value, they estimate that product to be worth that value.
So I hope you guys found those examples helpful. It just goes to show that you never know exactly what's best for your listing until you test it. I do hope these examples have given you guys some ideas, and good luck with your split testing.